Hello, my little reader. Welcome to lesson 31. And today, Earth is taking us to a birthday party. Do you like to go to a birthday party? Of course, we all enjoy going to birthday parties, right? Let's listen to find out what he's going to see at this party. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, Earth sees a cake. Cake. What else, Earth? Earth sees a balloon. Balloon. What else do you see, Earth? Earth sees some toys. Toys. Well done. And this is where Earth says bye, and I'll see you in the next lesson. It is review time. Let's get ready to review. Yes, you're doing a great job. Well done. Great work. Now, I want you to look carefully to see what's going to pop up on the screen. Yes? Look, that is the picture of a zipper. Say zipper. Well done. Now look, that's the picture of a zoo. Say zoo. Awesome. Say zigzag. Zigzag. All these pictures begin with z. What do they begin with? Yes. So what sound are we learning today? We are learning z. Can you say z? And which animal is this? It is a zebra, or some people say zebra. Yes? So you can say zebra or zebra. 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 Well done. It's time for us to go into our workbook. Lesson 31. Say the sound z, and let's trace it now. Straight across, slanted line down and across. One more time. Straight across, slanted line down and straight across again. Call the picture of the zebra. And what do we do here? Find a z. Here, I want you to circle the pictures that begin with a z. What is this? Zipper, duck, saw, zoo. Circle them. Good. Continue practicing how to write z. You've traced it up here, so let's do some writing now. Start at the red dots, go across, slanted line down and across. One more time. Start at the red dot, straight across, slanted line down and across. And that's how we write the letter that makes the z sound. Way to go, my little reader, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.